Hello everyone, how to tours back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce a famous and popular application, financial application. It's called Capital One Mobile. So if you want to learn more about this app, then you can install it. So you can see here I will give you the quick information about this app. So you can see it's called Capital One Mobile, the name of the app. And if you want to learn more about this app, you can see here quick statistics about this app. So you can see here Capital One Mobile, and if you see the ratings of the app, 4.5 out of 5, 1.71 million reviews, and you can see here more than 50 million plus already download this app. So it's a huge. So what's on the Capital One Mobile app? All of your accounts and so much more. So you can see here view balance and export statement, pay bills and take care of loans, check in on your credit with credit wise. So you can see here the quick information about this app. Manage your finance on the go, and you can see here redeem credit card rewards with just a few steps, deposit check by snapping a quick photo, and save time by viewing all your accounts at a glance. Stay on the top of your subscription all in one place. Tap to activate your card quickly and easily. Send and receive money with Jilla in minutes. Shop online more easily and securely with virtual cards. So this is all about. And if you want to learn more about this app, go this section. You can see here what's on the Capital One moment. You can see download the app. The app is released 2011, and also many people give their ratings and reviews. You can see here, so you can read their reviews, what they thought about this app, actually the function, the interface, the navigations, if there any flaw they criticize. So you can read, but this app is overall good because the rating 4.5.